Hello guys, welcome to another video. For today I'm going to show you how you can turn your old and non-gaming PSU into a gaming one. As you can see here, I have a max power silent 500 watt PSU that doesn't have PCIe connectors to power my GPU. So first things first, as you can see here, we have the ATX12 power connector for the motherboard, and we have the CPU connector also for the motherboard. What you can see here is basically the connectors that will connect to your GPU, and how we do this. Basically, as you can see here, the Molex and Sata connectors. You want to go and buy yourself some adapters. Basically, I have, as you can see here, two Sata to PCIe adapters that I bought from AliExpress. I could have bought the Molex to PCIe adapters, but whatever, you just do what you like. It's indifferent. So, as I'm going to show you now, and connect this to the power connectors of the PSU, and basically this is it. Here you have how you can power your GPU and turn your non-gaming PSU to a gaming one. Also, if you only have a GPU with 8 pin connectors, you only just buy one. But if you have 16 pin GPU, but you only have one Molex or one Sata, you might as well buy another PSU, because even if there are tons of adapters that come in Sata to two-way PCIe, it's not safe and your cables will melt for sure. And that's why I don't recommend the Sata to two-way PCIe or Molex to two-way PCIe. I'm going to demonstrate to you now. Basically, I have here an MSI AirBoost Vega 64, and all you have to do, as you can see here, it has 16 pin, is power. After connecting to your motherboard, you just have to power it like this and like this. Boom, it is done. Your GPU is now powered in 500 watts. It's enough for this kind of GPU. It doesn't consume that much really. If you don't do that heavy gaming, it will consume around 250 watts, and the other 250 watts will go to the rest of the system, which is plenty, and it's actually enough. Just one reminder, if you have a 4-pin cable that comes from the PCU to the motherboard, if you want to exceed your PSU maximum power, you can go and, as I'm going to show you now, buy an adapter that goes from 4 pins to 8 pins if you have a motherboard that has 8 pins. Basically, this is the look of it. I'm trying to focus right now. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm going to connect this so you can see like this. And there you have it, a full gaming PSU for your new gaming setup. And if you thought you would need to buy a new PSU, you just check this video out and you'll see that you don't need that. I would advise to buy a new PSU if you only have like 400 watts PSU or 550 watts. This is like the minimum, the bare minimum for a gaming setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks again, and bye.